everyone, Weird Nikki here. I hope everyone is staying safe and staying inside, and I hope that you all are doing okay. My kids are out of school, so I'm just like, alrighty then. So, today we are going to do this pink look. It is very pretty, it is very girly, but if you want to see how I did it, keep on watching. So first we're going to start off and we're going to prime the eyes. Prime helps keep your makeup on, starting with the Soothing Primer Face. It is white. My mirror is like right here, so if I'm looking down, I'm looking at my mirror. Some people add your primer on with a sponge or anything else like that. I use my fingers. It's just easier. So you just apply it all over the lid, up to the brow. And once again, I did do my face before the video. If you would like to see a tutorial on how I do my face, let me know and I'll make a video on how I personally do it. Now we're going to dip into my Profusion Spectrum. Yes, my palette has been through something, let me tell you. It is very used. But we're going to dip into the pink. It's called Rave. I'm doing we're doing the pink look today. So we're going to dip into Rave. This palette is very pigmented. You're going to put it on the lid in the middle, about 3/4 in. Just like that. Just bring it up to your crease. If you have hooded eyes, bring it up just a little bit more. A little bit past your crease. Using the same palette, we're going to go into Totally. It is right next to Rave, and that is going to go on the outer corner of the eye. Come up into the crease as well. Like that. You should have something like this. I'm going to go back into Rave, add that color back, bring it up and match Totally up here in the crease. And you want it to all be even. Bring this up to Totally as well in your crease. Just like that. Now on the inner corner, I always put in a light shade. So moving over to my Color Spectrum palette. I do not know the name, but we're going to get into this gold color. It's very pretty. So, put that right here on the inner portion. Then also, over top of it, we're going to put the color right next to it. It's a very light baby pink. It's a very pretty color. It's pinky. Now, still using the Color Spectrum palette, the one we got the pinky out of, you're going to move on to not a flat brush, but you're going to move on to a fluffy brush. And you're going to get a dark brown. You're going to put it in your crease. And then blend, blend, blend. If you're always afraid that you can't do makeup very well, as long as you blend, it's hard to get it wrong. Blending is your best friend. Because you don't want harsh lines. Just like that. Now we're going to go back into what we put in the inner corner, that gold color. It's also going to go up right by your brow bone. This is what you should have right now. You have any fallout? I do. And swoop. Just like that. Quick flick. Quick flick. Now you're going to get a flat brush. Still in the Spectrum palette, go for the darker pink. It's in the second row, third color in. And that is going to go right on the under eye, under the eyelashes. What you should have so far. Now moving on, we are going to move to eyeliner. I have the Revlon Color Stay in Skinny. This brush is insanely skinny. Hence the name. Can y'all see how skinny that is? Very precise. So, as before, we're going to do a wing. You start at the corner of your eyelashes. Swoop up, just like that. Now breathe. Go to the beginning and then come in. And then you should have a triangle. So something like that. Clean it up and bring it back out. Now you're going to follow it with the line across your eye. The goal is eyeliner. It's supposed to be thick at the end where the wing is, and it gets thinner as it comes in. Just like that. That is how it should look. I'm sorry if my mirror is in the way. I hope you're seeing what I'm doing. Like I said, I'm still new with this. I'm trying, guys. Now you go in and you just color in that triangle that you made. And that is your wing, guys. Let's get the other one. Now another thing that I like to do, I like to take black. And this will also help if you're learning how to do a wing. This will also help. You want to take a black. And you're going to shadow it right here. Right in your crease. And just, you pat. You literally just pat. But that's also going to bring out the depth in your color. Just like that. You don't want it real dark. You just want to kind of, just a little hint of hello there. Just a little bit of black. Just like that. Moving on. You're going to get white. I have LA colors in white. going to go in your waterline. White makes your eyes look bigger, and black in your waterline makes your eyes look smaller. So, I wanted bigger eyes for this look, so that's what we'll be doing. I saw this trick on NikkieTutorials website. I love NikkieTutorials. She is beautiful. She is awesome. But she would take her eyelash curler and she would warm it up just a little bit. Now you wait. Always touch your arm. Do a test because you don't want to burn off. If you can touch your hand, then it's good because you don't want to go and burn your eyeballs off. And go in and curl. Imagine it like a curling iron. Just like that. And I'll tell you what, it works. And once again, that is not my idea. I learned that from the beautiful Miss NikkieTutorials. Now I'm going to go in with Voluminous Original by L'Oreal. This is my favorite mascara. If you're not making funny faces while applying makeup, then teach me your ways, because I always make these funny faces no matter what I do. Now for the lips, this color is very, very dark. So you only want to use a little bit. You literally go in and you wipe it off. This is Vivid Matte lipstick in the color Red Punch. Now you want to take paper towel, makeup wipe, whatever you have, and you just dab it. Take off the excess. And then over it, I'm going to put Divine, and it's in the color Forgettable Metallic. This lip gloss actually smells like chocolate. And there we go, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching my video today. I hope that you will try this. If you do, please tag me and let me know. I hope everyone stays safe, stay inside, and I hope you all stay healthy. And I love each and every single one of you. Bye.